Good day! In this video, we are going to make use of the symbols greater than, less than, or equal sign after comparing two numbers. You can choose your answer as greater than, less than, or equal sign. Listen, kid. When you answer, include the expression 5 is greater than 1. Here are the questions. Number 1. Complete the expression. The correct answer is 2 is equal to 2. Repeat. Number 2. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 1 is less than 7. Repeat. Number 3. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 5 is less than 6. Repeat. Number 4. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 3 is greater than 1. Repeat. Number 5. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 4 is greater than 3. Repeat. Number 6. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 6 is greater than 3. Repeat. Number 7. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 6 is greater than 2. Repeat. Number 8. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 8 is greater than 7. Repeat. Number 9. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 3 is equal to 3. Repeat. Number 10. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 7 is greater than 4. Repeat. Number 11. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 7 is less than 9. Repeat. Number 12. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 1 is less than 3. Repeat. (13) Complete the expression. The correct answer, 7 is equal to 7. Repeat. Number 14. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 8 is greater than 4. Repeat. "15. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 9 is greater than 7. Repeat. "16. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 7 is greater than 3. Repeat. Number 17. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 1 is less than 5. Number 18. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 2 is less than 5. Repeat. Number 19. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 6 is greater than 5. Repeat. Number 20. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 3 is less than 5. Repeat. Number 21. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 3 is equal to 3. Repeat. Number 22. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 3 is less than 7. Repeat. Number 23. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 3 is less than 8. Repeat. Number 24. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 2 is less than 8. Repeat. Number 25. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 2 is greater than 1. Repeat. Congratulations! Now you are an expert in comparing two numbers using our symbols. Hey, ang mga anak niyo ba ay interesado sa math kahit kinder pa lang? Please let me know. May libreng tutorial. This is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.